Welcome to the ASP.NET Web Forms step-by-step series designed specifically for absolute beginners who want to learn web forms the right way from the ground up. In this series, you will master key topics like the web forms page lifecycle, working with the server control, understanding code behind the structure, managing state, and accessing data using SQL. Whether you are a complete beginner, a student preparing for interviews, or a developer transitioning from other technologies, this series is perfect for you. Each video is hands-on with live code, practical examples, and project-based learning to help you apply what you learn instantly. Don't forget to subscribe to ASP NET and SQL Academy and turn on notifications so you never miss a video in this beginner-friendly web form series. Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this video, we will walk through integrating SQL Server database with an ASP.NET Web Forms application. We will cover everything from connecting to the database to displaying data dynamically on your web page. To start, you need a SQL Server database. Create a database in SQL Server with the necessary tables. For example, you might create tables for customers and orders. Make sure to add some sample data for testing. Next, we need to add a connection string to your web.config file. This string contains the database server details, username, password, and database name. The example connection string in web.config is as shown. Make sure to replace the values with your actual database details. In your code behind file, example page1.aspx.cs, import the necessary namespaces and create a connection to the database using SQL connection and SQL command objects. Now that we have connected to the database, let us display the data. One of the easiest ways to show data in web forms is by using the grid view control. You can bind data from your SQL query directly to a grid view. This code fetches data from the customers table and displays it in the grid view. To add data entry functionality, you can create a simple form with text box controls for input and a button to submit the data. The example are shown. In the button click event, you can write the SQL insert statement. This code as shown takes the data entered into the text box controls and insert into the customers table. To update existing records in the database, you can use the update statement as shown. This code updates the name of the customer based on their customer ID. To remove records from your database, use the delete statement. Add a button for deletion as in your page1.asp example. This code deletes the customer record based on the customer ID. After finishing all database operations, don't forget to close the connection. Use connection.close. Closing the connection ensures that you release resources and avoid unnecessary database connections. To wrap up, today we learned how to integrate SQL Server database into an ASP.NET Web Forms project. We covered connecting to database, performing CRUD operations, create, read, update and delete, displaying data using controls like a grid view. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. In our next video, we will dive into stored procedures in SQL Server and how to use them with the ASP.NET. Stay tuned. Handling errors properly is essential in any application. Use try-catch blocks around your database code to catch exceptions. You can show friendly messages to users while logging detailed error information for developers. This improves user experience and helps you troubleshoot issues quickly. Security is a must. Always use parameterized queries when interacting with your database. Never concatenate user inputs directly into your SQL commands, as this can lead to SQL injection attacks. Parameterized queries help protect your application from malicious input. A best practice for managing database connection is to use the using statement in C#. This ensures that your SQL connection object is automatically closed and disposed of properly even if an error occurs. It helps prevent connection leaks and keeps your application efficient. When your application grows, scaling database access is important. Make sure to leverage connection pooling, which is enabled by default to reduce overhead in opening connections. Optimize your SQL queries to improve performance and consider using stored procedures for complex operations to reduce SQL injection risk and improve maintainability.